Presenting. Yan.
All those sleepless nights, all the tears I cried, all the pain I kept inside. I kept asking myself why.
Parang nasa asa pa eh.
To say goodbye.
Ay, naka-brace ka pala ha. Si ate nga pero matawa.
When you said
Naka-brace pala siya.
to me that there is someone.
Hindi mo lang nakita, te.
Hindi ko siya napansin dati.
Napapansin mo yung chan.
Bye.